To send money to someone using Venmo, you will first need to download and install the Venmo app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing the required information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to link a payment method, such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card, to your Venmo account. After setting up your account, find the person you want to send money to by searching for their name, phone number, or email address in the Venmo app. If the person is already a Venmo user, their profile will appear in the search results. If they are not a Venmo user, you can still send them money by entering their phone number or email address. To initiate the payment, tap on the Pay or Request button. Enter the amount you want to send, and add a note or description of the payment if needed. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's information, the amount, and the payment method. Finally, confirm the payment by tapping the Pay button. The money will be sent to the recipient's Venmo account, and they will receive a notification. The recipient can then transfer the money to their bank account or use it to make purchases through the Venmo app. It is essential to note that Venmo transactions are typically free when you use your Venmo balance, bank account, or debit card. However, there may be a small fee when using a credit card. Additionally, be cautious when sending money to strangers or unfamiliar recipients, as Venmo transactions are generally irreversible. To ensure a smooth and secure transaction, always verify the recipient's identity and make sure you have a sufficient balance in your Venmo account or linked payment method. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely send money to someone using Venmo.